Greetings collectors, and welcome to the UKBullion YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Willy Wonka 5-gram fine gold bar manufactured by PAMP Suisse, a new licensed gold release sure to delight Willy Wonka fans. Made from pure 999.9 gold, this 5-gram bar showcases the inscription Wonka Golden Ticket stamped onto its gleaming precious metal surface. With only 3,000 cast worldwide, each measures just over 13 by 22 mm, but their diminutive size belies big appeal. Struck in proof-like quality, the bars highlight intricate engraving, and arrive sheathed in a vibrant custom assay card and sleeve, for memorable storage and display. Don't miss your chance at purchasing these limited edition bars, blending precious metals with storytelling magic. Check below for ordering details before the final golden tickets vanish. And remember to subscribe so you're first to see our next video unveiling new bullion rarities. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy collecting.